Okay, so on this video, I'm already assuming that you watched the first one, so you understand all the information about hyperbolas, and I'm just going to do a couple of examples. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to think about, is this horizontal or vertical? And I can tell because the x comes first that it's going to be horizontal. This is going to be a horizontal one. The center is going to be at 3, 4. The vertices are going to come from the x movement. So that tells me that a squared is 16, so a equals 4. That means I'm going to add and subtract 4 to the h. So 3 plus 4 is 7. 3 minus 4 is -1. And the y value doesn't change on the vertices. For my foci, I need to do a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So I'm going to add these two guys together. So I'm going to do 16 plus 25 equals c squared. 16 plus 25 is 41. Square root it. So for the foci, that's also going to happen to the x. It's going to be 3 plus or minus the square root of 41, 4. And then I'm going to do my asymptotes. The asymptotes are going to be y minus k, which is right here, y minus 4, equals positive and negative. On this one, it's going to be b over a. So b is 5, a is 4, x minus h. Because I do need to graph this out, I'm actually going to expand it. So y minus 4 equals positive and negative 5 fourths, positive and negative 15 fourths. I'm going to make it two separate equations. Y minus 4 equals 5 fourths minus, 5 fourths x minus 15 fourths. And y minus 4 equals negative 5 fourths x plus 15 fourths. Now I'm going to add the 4 over on each of these. 4 as fourths would be 16 fourths. So this is going to give me y equals 5 fourths x plus 1 fourth. This one plus 16 fourths is going to give me 31. So y equals negative 5 fourths x plus 31 fourths. Now I have all the information I need to graph it, so I'm going to go through the process of trying to graph this. See if I can get it with all the information on there. My center is at 3, 4, so the center is going to be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, right here. The center, the really important thing about the center is for drawing the asymptotes. So the shortcut to drawing the asymptotes is you just look at the slope through the center. It always has to go through the center. So I have a slope of 5 fourths, which means from this point, I'm going to go up 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and over 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's going to go through those 2 points, which is going to be like this. I like to draw my asymptotes dashed, which is the same thing I would have got if I did it right here from the y-intercept and the slope. But this is kind of a shortcut. And then we have a negative 5 fourths, which means I'm going to go up 5 and to left 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. And a dashed line. And this would have given me the same thing if I would have done this y-intercept and a slope of negative 5 over 4. So I got my asymptotes on there. I'm going to draw the vertices. The vertices are at 7, 4, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 4, and -1, 4. -1, 4. So what's going to happen is it's going to go through this vertex and get infinitely close to my asymptote on each side. And same thing over here. So that's how we graph it out.